Today we are discuss the hot work safety. So understand the risk, precautions, and proper procedure for the welding and the hot work operation. Because of the wrong method can cost lives. Safety training in industrial and construction. So the what is a hot work? Hot work is an activity that involves open flame, spark, or significant heat. It includes a wide range of the industrial process that require a strict safety control. Welding and allied process, grading and heating treating, torch applied roofing, hot retaining and throwing. So, potential hazard for the hard work has carry about direct person hazard and border fire and explosion risk, especially in the operational area. So, burn the eyes, electrical shock, or fire and explosion. These are the three risks. Before you start pre-work checks, so every hard work job is required through a site inspection before the ignition. Here are the steps to prevent a fire and protect everyone nearby. Number first is investigate the surrounding, inspect the area and the hazard. Number second is remove a flammables, clear the combustible and fuel. Number three is the cover the holes and cracks, seal the open and prevent a spark. Number four has a position of fire extinguisher placed within easy reach. And number last is aware a fire resistor PPE. Uh, Long-term health hazard for the welding. It's the welder is facing like serious chronic health condition from like in the welding there is the sound and so many things, so it's may affect the heart diseases, skin diseases, hearing loss, and stomach infection. Fire and fire and precautions. So clear the area, use a fire grader, and stand by watch. So the watchman is required during the uh, welding work. Required PPE has eyes and face shield, body protection, feet and hearing. Uh, Five steps to control. Inspect before every job, ventilation of the area, wear all required PPEs, and maintaining a fire watch and report unsafe condition. So, thank you. Safety has shared a responsibility. Every precautions you take to protect not just yourself but to enter your team. Thank you. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please like, share, and subscribe.